Imagine waking up in a world with no electricity. No lights, no phones, no internet. It's hard to even picture, isn't it? Yet, just a few hundred years ago, this was the reality. Today, electricity powers everything around us, from massive cities to tiny microchips. Now, imagine if an airplane were to leave the Earth's magnetic field. Suddenly, everything electrically powered would go haywire. Navigation systems, communication devices, and even autopilot controls would fail. The consequences for human life would be catastrophic, as modern society is so deeply reliant on electricity that its sudden absence could throw everything into chaos. But have you ever wondered, where does electricity come from? How does it work? And what is its future? Let's uncover the electrifying truth. Welcome to my channel, Mystic Prism. I'm Ebony. On this channel, we explore a wide range of fascinating topics, from science and engineering to physics, history, astronomy, and world mysteries. If you're curious about the wonders of the universe and how everything works, you're in the right place. The birth of electricity, ancient discoveries. Electricity isn't something we created, it has always existed in nature. The earliest known record of electricity dates back to 600 BCE, when the Greek philosopher Thales of Miletus discovered that rubbing amber with fur could attract small objects. This was the first observation of static electricity, though the true nature of electricity remained a mystery for centuries. Fast forward to the 18th century, when Benjamin Franklin's famous kite experiment in 1752 proved that lightning is a form of electricity. This discovery led to the development of lightning rods and the first real understanding of electrical charge in nature. But the biggest breakthrough came in 1800, when Italian scientist Alessandro Volta created the first battery, proving that electricity could be generated and stored. His invention paved the way for electric circuits, which power everything we use today. Electromagnetic induction is the process of generating electricity by changing a magnetic field. It was discovered by Michael Faraday in 1831 and is the principle behind electric generators, transformers, and induction motors. When a magnetic field changes near a conductor, like a coil of wire, it causes electrons in the conductor to move, generating an electric current. How electricity works. But what exactly is electricity? Simply put, electricity is the movement of electrons, tiny charged particles that exist inside atoms. When electrons move through a material, like a copper wire, they create an electric current, which powers our devices. Before we know about electricity, we should know about atoms. An atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains the properties of an element. Atoms are the building blocks of everything in the universe, from air and water to stars and living organisms. Structure of an atom. An atom consists of three main subatomic particles. 1. Protons plus positively charged particles found in the nucleus. 2. Neutrons. 0. Neutral particles also found in the nucleus. 3. Electrons, negatively charged particles orbiting the nucleus in electron shells. There are two types of electric current: direct current, DC, and alternating current, AC. DC, direct current flows in one direction, like in batteries. D. Alternating current changes direction many times per second. and is used to power homes and cities. Thomas Edison promoted DC power, but Nikola Tesla's AC power won the war of currents in the late 1800s because it could travel long distances more efficiently. That's why today, your home runs on AC electricity. How we generate electricity. Electricity doesn't just appear, it must be generated from a source of energy. It's generated for two methods by nature and humans made. By nature, electricity isn't just something we generate. It already exists in nature. White heavy checkmark lightning, a massive spark of electricity caused by charged particles in clouds. The human body, your brain sends tiny electric signals through your nerves to move your muscles. White heavy checkmark. Animals. Electric eels generate electricity to shock their prey. But how do we capture and use electricity on a massive scale? Let's look at the major energy sources we use to generate power. Humans have developed different ways to harness and convert energy into electricity. Non-renewable and renewable sources. Non-renewable energy source. Fire fossil fuels like coal, oil, natural gas. Droplet hydropower, water energy. Add a simple nuclear power. Splitting atoms in nuclear reactors produces massive energy to generate electricity. Renewable and future energy sources. Sun solar power, capturing sunlight with solar panels to generate electricity. Infinite, but depends on sunlight. Dashing away wind power. Wind turbines convert air movement into energy. Clean, but requires strong winds. Water wave tidal and wave energy. The power of ocean waves and tides can generate electricity naturally. High voltage fusion power. The energy of the sun. Scientists are trying to replicate the sun's energy process to create limitless clean power. This happens in three main ways: wire, magnetic field, and movement. But what if we could generate electricity from our own movements? In Japan, researchers have developed a revolutionary new technology that captures energy from human motion. Using a method called piezoelectricity, special materials generate electricity when they're pressed or stretched, meaning your footsteps could one day charge your phone. This could lead to a future where sidewalks, floors, or even clothing generate electricity from your movement. The future of electricity, a world without wires? Electricity is constantly evolving. In the future, we could see rocket wireless electricity. Nikola Tesla dreamed of transmitting power without wires. Today, scientists are working on long-range wireless charging. Battery super batteries. New technologies like graphene batteries could charge your devices in seconds and store energy for months. Milky Way space-based solar power. Solar panels in space could beam limitless energy to Earth. Electricity is the key to the future. Whether it's powering our homes, advancing space travel, or even coming from our own bodies, this invisible force will continue shaping the world in ways we can't even imagine. From ancient Greece to modern power plants, the story of electricity is one of discovery, innovation, and transformation. It's all around us, powering our lives, fueling technology, and lighting the way into the future. So next time you flip a switch or charge your phone, remember, you're tapping into one of the most powerful forces in the universe. And we're only just beginning to unlock its full potential. This version flows smoothly and covers everything: history, how it works, sources, new innovations, and the future. It's engaging, educational, and futuristic, making it perfect for your YouTube audience. Do you want any tweaks or additions?